Hey, I just wanted to give an update on this product I've been using this year as an alternative to the leaves and hay and grass and, everything I use, natural mulches I've been using for years. Vessey's, my show's sponsor, came up with this, started offering this new product. I don't know if he started offering it this year, but I bought it and tried it out. It's called Mulch. Looks like black plastic garbage bags. And if you're concerned about what's in it, all that sort of stuff, I'll provide some links in the description box and you can look it up for yourself. Personally, I'm fine with it. It's all natural materials and it's all going to break down. It just looks like garbage bag plastic. But one of the side benefits, this is some kale I planted, maybe a week ago, and I've not watered this. And I wanted to show you, it's dry. Let me show you, here's a bed. This is what all my beds that aren't mulched right now look like. They look dry, right? Everything looks like this. There was a bit of a mist last night, and we haven't had rain in a few days, right? I watered this one this morning, so you can see it's nice and dark, right? That's what it would look like if it was dry, dark, right? But look here. So when I was planting this, you make a hole and you dig some of the soil up, but also a good thing to do, and I've been trying to do this more, is remove some of the surrounding soil so that the area where the plant is sort of like a divot. It's below the grade of everything else. And if you can see really closely, you can see that some of the soil is dark. And what I think is happening is that in the morning when there's dew that gathers on this plastic, when it has any amount, it rolls down, right? I'm on a bit of a grade here. But even if you're not in a grade, if these holes are lower than everything else, the water, the dew gathers, beads up, rolls down, and all the water gets concentrated where the plant is. So here's another one. You can see some of them it's happening better than others, probably just because of their positioning. But look, that soil's dark, right? You can see the difference in coloration. I'm creating shadows here, but there, sorry, how to do this without making shadows. It's hard to see with my hands in the way, but you can see some of it, like right there, is light, but other soil is darker, right? So I think that's what's happening here, that the dew is gathering. I mean, I'm sure the plastic is preventing evaporation to some extent, but it's also just providing a means to direct and gather dew and direct it at the plant. So just one more added benefit aside from the convenience of this. Is supposed to last a season, then it's just going to break down. Also, I've been thinking I might do a video on this later. If you think it looks ugly, and it certainly has a different aesthetic effect, right? I mean, to me, the best aesthetic effect is good-looking plants. Look at these lettuce, don't they look great? But this looks really natural. Doesn't this look nice, right? You can always put some leaves on top of it, right? Or you can just put, I got a lot of spruce trees around here. You can put anything you want on top, even if it's not a particularly good mulch, but it just hides it, even helps hold it down in wind and stuff like that. Okay, so just a few thoughts and reflections on my growing evolution using this material. It's got its pluses and minuses. It's a little bit tedious to lay it down. I got it all weighted down with rocks. You cut the holes and put the plants in. There's a bit of a learning curve there, but then you got no weeds, and seems to be this watering benefit. Anyway, just an update on that. I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Until next time, get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden. Thanks for watching.